In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Zalora account. First of all, launch open Zalora application. You can see over here Zalora application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options like home, categories, bag, wishlist and account. Tap on the option account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account interface. At top, you'll be able to find the option for login or register. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. You can either continue with Facebook, Google or email address. Tap on the login method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. If you also want to do that, tap on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Likewise, you'll also have to enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you recover your password, make sure to enter the password over here. Now after you enter the password, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Zalora account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.